Alright, hello Coursera students. This is one of your assistant instructors for Networks, Friends, Money, and Bytes. And today what I want to do is talk to you a little bit about some features that you might find useful on our Network 20Q site. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is open up my browser. And then I'm going to go to our main site, which is network20q.com. So once I'm there, the first thing I'm going to want to do, given that I haven't been to this site before, is to go to this icon on the left side right here, which is connect with your Coursera account. So what that's going to take you to is this login with Coursera screen, where you can use your Coursera credentials, and we're going to basically cross-reference and make sure that your account is registered with our course on Coursera. And once you enter your email address and password, you can click Login to Princeton University. And that'll bring you to another page where you can create a Network 20Q username and password that you can use to log into the Network 20Q site in the future. Alright, so once I've done that, I'm going to want to take a look at this meta bar down here, and I can then log in using this icon right here. And so I've created a test account for this. It's just Princeton Test Student. And you can enter your password, whatever your username and password are, you just enter them here. And then you can log in, and that'll bring you to this dashboard where you have a couple different features. You could edit your profile if you'd like, but for now I'm just going to show you if we go back to the 20Q main site. So the two main features that I want to talk about in this tutorial are the wiki and the blog features of the site. Okay, so if I click over here on the wiki, I'm going to see a standard Wikipedia type page, and that's the way we designed it, was so that it was sort of a way that we could basically aggregate information from you guys and turn that into a crowdsourced type textbook. So with that being said, you should know that this wiki is a place where you're going to want to blog things that you think maybe should have been elaborated on more so in the Network 20Q textbook, the Networked Life 20 Questions and Answers book. If you have that, things that should have been elaborated more on in lecture, just basically extensions on the work that you think warrant to be in a textbook. And so if I want to edit any one of these pages, first thing I'm going to want to do is go up to this login icon up here, and I'm going to log in using the account that I created and my password. So once you do that, you'll see these edit bars have appeared underneath all these pages, and we have basically one set up right now for every question. So if I want to go into Q1, what makes CDMA work for my smartphone, I'll see just some discussion that's already been seeded over here, different multiple access technologies. And for instance, if I want to edit this page, I can just click edit up here, and it'll take me to a Wikipedia editing screen. And I can basically type wherever I want. I can modify what other people said if I think it's wrong. If I want to elaborate on something, I could add more paragraphs. I could add additional sections. Basically, you can follow the formatting that's already here, where you can create a section or a subsection title and add any text that you see fit. Okay, so now that we've done that, I'm going to click Logout up here, and I'm going to go back to the Network 20Q page. Alright, so the second feature that I want to show you is the blog right over here. So if I click on the blog, I'm going to be taken to the class blog for ELE 381, which is the name of the course at Princeton. And we should point out that the blog, as opposed to the wiki, should be used for more so like news-related posts relevant to the course. So anything relevant to your network life that you may have seen in the news, something that you think is interesting but may not warrant being in a textbook per se. So if I want to create a blog, I'm going to go down to this meta page right here, and I'm going to click Login, and I'm going to log into the blog portion of the site. So I'm going to use my test account that I made, and that's going to bring me to this dashboard again. So once I click then on this Network 20Q icon, it's going to take me back to the blog page, and I'm going to have these ability to update my status if I want, but in order to do a blog, you're going to want to click right over here and blog post. So for instance, if I want to post a blog, I could just post the title here, maybe test blog, and I'll give it some text. I don't know, test blog again. and I can add tags if I want, and then I'm going to hit post. And then you see your blog has been posted right here, and then people can reply to it if you want, or you can go back and edit your own blog, and you can also reply to anyone else's blog as you see fit. Okay, so then I can go back and maybe log out, and I'm going to go back to the Network 20Q main page. Alright, so that concludes this brief tutorial just to show you how to use the wiki and the blog features of the Network 20Q site. I should stress again that if you want information on the course, if you have questions or you need things elaborated, you want to ask questions about the homework, that should all still be done in the discussion forums on Coursera, or anything else can also be done on our Facebook page. But the wiki and the blog features should be done for textbook quality material and news-related articles, respectively. So, all right, thank you for tuning in. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you find that the wiki and blog features are useful to you in this course.